This is impossible. You can fidget with it, but it spins. This is weird. Look, it's like this. Fidget spinners. You can fidget with it, but I have a game of fidget spinners, but I like them, but impossible. But let's see if Pikachu does it. Pika. Beep. It's impossible, but okay. It's not. Okay, I don't know who made it. It's impossible, but you could get a fidget cube if you want. Please subscribe and give it a like. Or if you don't like the video, just subscribe to Dennis. Okay, goodbye.